How to buy MetAIverse token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under this Solana network. Open your virtual wallet for that. Now click on swap, and here make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, but make sure you have to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redact to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip hash, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue on your wallet. So this is how to buy MetAIverse token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. So